So yeah, this is deep learning model which I've made, and its accuracy is about 76%. We can see here. It is in dogs classification model. So yeah, I've used Flask here. Now let us go towards our output. So this is the output. The motivation I got from dogs especially. So yeah, it is working. Now let us use this sample win. It will show everything regarding the dog, as we can see here. It is using Olama for this, and we have trained this model to name the character in the photo uploaded by the user. So now let us use some other images. So now here we can see various images. Let us upload one from this. So yeah, I will choose this image, okay, and open. Yeah, it will also read this image, and this name will directly go to Ulama and will get all this in a detailed structure manner. Okay, now we'll use some other images. So I've searched this rare dogs breed and I've reloaded this. Now we'll upload one of these images from here. I've took this image now. It looks rare, I think so. I've saved this in my gallery for now. So yeah, save images as, download, save. Now we'll upload this image here. So yeah, I've uploaded this. Now let us see. Can it surely detect? Yeah, it detected. And see, we got it is from France and its weight and all. How many is its life spam and all. So yeah, it is 100% working. Thank you for watching.